This is where everything started for me.
I used to love drawing with the MIG welder.
I wanted to create things with metal. Like, ultimately, that was my goal.
He'd hurry and get his welds passed off and then do projects and things.
This is my first project.
Didn't have the skills yet, but I had the excitement and knew essentially what I wanted to do.
You saw that passion come out in him, and he just took off.
Willoughby here, like the instructor, like he saw like where I was headed and like supported me through that, which was one of the best things that I think could have ever happened to me.
Rush is definitely like local legend status here.
Coming back now, I'm not here as a student,
Trying to get to the next level and always...
but I'm here to help students.
Well, it's really true that a lot of people hold their knowledge as a security blanket almost. It keeps their position secure.
Got it.
They're so willing to share what they know to help everybody out.
Throughout like my career, I've picked up different techniques. It's kind of like they're the cheat codes that helps expedite this whole entire learning curve of these students.
Like since you're using and you're adding in filler with your other hand, like there's different ways to do that.
Every little thing that you can plug in, cheat codes engaged. I never expected it to take me into a full-on career. And coming back and being able to share something that maybe could change their lives the way that my life was changed, that's all I could hope for, is it makes a difference for at least one person.